production cost for this box of school chalk is 1,500 Uganda shillings, and the least this chalk box can go for in the market is 3,000 Uganda shillings. So you can make profit of 1,500 from each box. Yes, hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for always watching my videos. My name is Michael, and I'm here today to answer one most important questions that people have been asking me. People have always been asking me, how much money do I need to start school chalk production? And in today's video, I actually want to answer this question in depth. As a starter, I already advertised this startup kit. It includes one mold. Our starters kit includes this mold. It is a 100 cavity mold. It includes 100 pieces of boxes, and also it includes one bag of POP. So this startup kit goes for only 320,000 Uganda shillings. So in brief, you need only 320,000 Uganda shillings to start this school chalk business with 100 pieces of boxes and one mold plus one bag of POP equivalent to 40 kilograms. And remember, one bag of POP will make for you 70 to 80 boxes of school chalk. It will make for you 70 to 80 boxes of school chalk. And production cost for this box of school chalk is 1,500 Uganda shillings. And the least this chalk box can go for in the market is 3,000 Uganda shillings. So you can make profit of 1,500 from this each box. And remember, that is 100% profit. So if you deduct the production, other hidden costs, for example, labor and everything, you'll find it has given you like 80% profits. So this is one of the most lucrative businesses you can start. You can start making school chalk as a side hustle, or you can do this business during your holiday or in the evening after work. Holidays when you have free manpower of your children at home, and this can help you increase your income, and with the time it can help you to start a big business, because school chalk has a lot of demand. Besides selling school chalk, you can invest in, you can learn this skill and also trade the skill. You can sell the skill, not necessarily school chalk themselves. So feel free to contact me on the number you see on the screen. By the way, you don't just watch this video without subscribing. Share to a friend. There are a lot of people who are looking for business ideas outside there, and they wish to know this, because this is one of those lucrative ventures you must think about. So subscribe, share this video to friends, and by the way, my friends, thank you so much, my clients, for supporting me. I'm very grateful, and of course I'm also here to work with you. If you have any challenges, maybe you have got challenges working with me, or there is something that you need to know, feel free to put it in the comment section, or you can come to my inbox on the number that you see on the screen. That number is on WhatsApp, and you can also use it to call me. There's no problem, and I would be grateful to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time.